into our today's trading idea, let's start. The first one would be data sonic. So one of the reason why we like the stock, because one, if you look on the overall trend structure, why for the past 12 months is pretty much I would say trading inside consolidation kind of pattern, but overall buy has started to be more improving. So what we did is actually overlay the simple Fibonacci fan line over here, and you can tell the stock is now trading above the 61.8 of Fibonacci fan line. Now the thing is, the stock also has to create a new baseline right above the so-called the red line over here, which represented by the 88 days moving average. So the earlier breakout was followed by something that we call a return move, and a subsequent rebound within a critical resistance turn into the support level. So we see a couple of confluence within the Fibonacci fan line over here, and the 88-day moving average, number of moving average also coming out within here. So yesterday again is actually pretty much starting a possible 1, 2, 3 pattern continuation pattern. So if you look on the momentum, it's still pretty much skewed on the upward. Yesterday uptick in both RSI and D trend, suggesting that the current short-term upcycle start to unfolding. Yeah, so that means we expecting the stock to trade higher. The risk to reward ratio is quite decent at 1 to 2.7, which means you risk about 7.7% with the potential reward up to 21%. So the current scoring will be 7.7. We are using a quality what we call that scoring quality style for the stock. Right, moving on into KPS, kumpulan perangsang Selangor. So one of the reason why we highlight, because we like the idea of the stock has been building some sort of the baseline or new high-low structure right within the 13-day moving average over here for the past few weeks. So despite this consolidation over here, we note that the stock is pretty much build kind of new baseline. So this is actually quite supportive. If you look on the reading on RSI, you can see the structural change in terms of overall trend from here below traded below 50-point mark, and now creating a new baseline above 50-point mark. So the consolidation pattern over here, you can see subsequent rebound within this long-term average line, indicating that overall momentum remain on the upside. So despite yesterday gap up, there's the lack of follow through, the stock is ending in with a pattern of spinning top. We think there's decent chance for the ongoing uptrend to continue. Following the slightly increase of the trading volume. So we think the current level is quite attractive for accumulation. One, because the risk lower risk to reward ratio. Your risk about 5.9% right now, with the potential reward up to 16% at least for the near term. So the quant scoring will be quant side is grow, and with the quant score of 7.25. Okay, last but not least will be MBSB. So MBSB, I think one of our sale earlier has been highlighting the stock, and I followed up with the stock for quite some time. So one of the reasons why we like the stock, because we see the stock is still pretty much inside the consolidation pattern. Okay, so this is pretty much like a big triangle kind of pattern. The thing is, while they're forming this kind of pattern, the stock did not even break the major 200-day moving average. So that brings us the what we call that lowering the overall risk for the stock as you try to accumulate within the major support. Now, if the stock come down below over here, your risk is about 6%. But if today there is a breakout move, or the next few days there are a breakout move, your risk to reward ratio is quite decent with the 6% risk, potential reward of up to 17%. So momentum is actually improving, and if you look, trading volume is gradually on the high side, and not really on peaking, but start to improving day by day. So MACD also skew on a positive reading, so we expecting there could be a breakout move in the near term. A breakout above this pattern neckline make it a new upcycle, as we put our technical target at 79.5 cent and 86.5 cent, while cut loss below 69.5 cent.